The next step to this build is in the box.
What's in the box?
Coilovers, man. Time to get started. Wheels off. This car is bagged. The bags have no air pressure in them. Look at the size of these spacers. These are a 24 millimeter. These are 14. A 24 and a 13/16. It's easier if the caliper is removed. $14, like I said. Detaching the airline. This is the assembly out of the box. This is the bagged strut. I use both to make the coilovers work. Just need to install the fronts in the reverse order they were taken off. These shims go between the lower mounting points. Comme ça. Completely installed. Now for the rear. Going to start off by dropping the sway bar. Two 13 millimeter bolts hold it on each side. One bolt is the only thing that secures the rear bag. The top strut mount bolt is behind the carpet in the trunk. By removing the lower bolt, the strut can come out now. Under the car, the coilover will have a spacer, washer, and bushing. Inside the car, it will have a bushing, washer, then nut. I needed a little extra help. A crescent wrench works to hold the shaft while the nut is being tightened. So nice, I did it twice. The top mount for the spring. This flat plate has threads and goes in this hole. These keys remind me of Cabal's hook swords from Mortal Kombat. This spacer slips on the top mount. This one goes on the bottom of the spring to level it out. The bolt is tightened to the flat plate. The spring is ready to go on. Now I can bolt the strut at the bottom and lower the car. The rear is fully installed. Sway bar going back on and then the wheels. Project complete. I'm digging the coilover look. What do you think, Cabal?
You're gonna love him.